What's up, guys? It's Matthew from Matthew's Fan Videos, and today what I have here to show you is this Holmes 10-inch box fan model HABF120. I got this fan as a present and works great. It has only two speeds, high and low. It does say 2, which makes it look like it's medium, but really it's high, just so you guys know in case if you're confused. Here's the front of the fan. Here's the Holmes logo. Hasn't really changed throughout the years. Here's the side of the fan. Here's the other side. Here's the back. And here's the bottom. You can see there's these pegs right here. And on the back here, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's the model number, HABF120. It runs on 120 VAC. I think that just means volts. 60 Hz and 0.4 amps. And this fan was made in Boca Raton, Florida. In fact, I think all Holmes fans are made in Boca Raton, Florida. And it says made in China. I think that's just the motor, but it could be the fan too. I could be wrong. Don't really know for sure. So, let's go ahead and turn this fan on. So, here's high. Blows a good breeze on high. Give you guys a better view here. It's kind of loud, but not as loud as all the other competitors. Or fans, I should say. And here's low. It only quieted down just a little bit. Still just a tiny bit loud, but not as loud as it is on high. It's a better shot of the blades. And let's go ahead and turn it off. For a 10-inch box fan, this also has a pretty good spin down time. So you may notice the blades shift back a little. Yep, like what you just saw there. And there you have it, guys. That is my Holmes 10-inch box fan, model number HABF120. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.